Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one mop at a time. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, the mop that thinks it's a superhero with its genius title. And on my right, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop, because who wouldn't want a devil in their cleaning routine? Let's see which one is the true champion of cleanliness. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the mop in the room. The Shark is priced at a whopping $129. Reviewers have mentioned that for that price, it better come with a side of dinner and a movie. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is the budget-friendly option at just $74. Reviewers appreciate this value, noting that with the Dirt Devil, you can clean your floors and still have enough money left over for a pizza. So if you're watching your wallet, the Dirt Devil might just be the devil you know. Now, let's dive into water tank capacity. The Shark boasts a 220-milliliter water tank. That's enough steam to make your floors sparkle and your neighbors jealous. Reviewers have praised its capacity, stating it allows for efficient cleaning. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil doesn't mention its tank size, but it does promise deep cleaning with just heat and water. Some users found this to be effective, but noted the mystery of its capacity. Next, we have steam control. The Shark has a 3-setting intelligent steam control. It's like having a smart assistant for your floors. Reviewers love this feature, appreciating the ability to adjust the steam according to the dirt level. The Dirt Devil also has 3-mode settings, but its simplicity is noted in reviews, with some saying its idea of smart is just turning on and off without burning your toes. Now, let's talk pads. The Shark features double-sided dirt grip washable pads. Reviewers enjoy the convenience of flipping it over for continued cleaning. It's also noted that the pads can be washed in the machine. The Dirt Devil, while basic, is safe on sealed hard floors, but some users found its pads thick and less effective in steam penetration. It's safe to say the Shark takes the win here. And finally, let's not forget about technology. The Shark's got touch-free technology. Just wave it around and let it do the work. Reviewers rave about this feature, calling it the fairy godmother of cleaning. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is all about quick cleaning, ready to use in just 30 seconds. Some users appreciate this quick readiness, but overall, the Shark is more likely to make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. Overall, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop receives high praise for its efficiency, ease of use, and advanced features. Many reviewers express satisfaction with its cleaning results and versatility. In contrast, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is recognized for its affordability and effectiveness on sealed hard floors, although some users have noted issues with its build and performance. So which mop is the true winner? If you're looking for a mop that's got the brains, the brawn, and a price that might make your wallet cry, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is for you. But if you're a budget-conscious, quick-cleaning ninja, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop might just be your new best friend. Remember, folks, whether you choose the Genius or the Devil, the important thing is to keep your floors clean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which mop you think is the best. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean.